Okay, my last video I talked about how to strop the knife with a belt. Now we're going to go into what this actually uh, configuration is. This is a 1x48 Kalamazoo. You could use anything. It's got a belt like that. You put it on a piece of wood, long piece of wood. I'm using a Jorgensen clamp. Any cheap L or whatever. It's got some rigidity to it. And the pulley is actually made on a wood lathe. I hollowed it out on two sides and put in a bearing that has a 10mm bolt through it. And that's it. And this thing works great. Allows me a lot of flex. Now, if I got a longer belt, I could always just pull this back. This is easy. This is fast. You don't have to buy anything expensive. I mean, if you have a wood lathe, these are so easy to make up. Look, I even have it where I was holding it on the chuck. If you don't have a wood lathe, you can have somebody make it up. Just put two bearings in, and this will work great. I used to use this before. If you looked at my older videos, you'll actually see it. Before I got this belt grinder here in Portugal, I had made one so I could sharpen knives. So all I did was reuse the wood. I can also remake this or use any motor in this configuration. And again, use wood. You can even have the shaft like this guy. You can drill a hole that just barely fits that, mash in a piece of wood, set up a block here with some sort of, you can even just put a 2x4 here, and then use that to make your wheel any size you want. It won't come off because eventually the wood will dry up a bit, and then that could be your turning wheel on any motor. I just happen to use this motor because this is 220 single phase, and the other motors I have are 220 3-phase, and I have them hooked up onto my VFD, but I don't want to have like multiple VFDs when I go out. So I just had this one, and I'm not using the grinder anymore because I'm using a 2x48 grinder now. So this is something that you could do, very easy setup. I mean, really, it's just a clamp and a bearing on an L. I mean, that's all it is. So then you could take this off easily and still use it as a regular belt grinder, and you can get two purposes out of it without much stress, because this won't fit on the 1x48. I mean, I could have ordered the 1x48, I guess,